Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to English Speaking Way. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you are here with me again today. If you practiced with me yesterday, then first of all, well done. Because yesterday was an important step. You didn't just watch a video, you actually used your voice. And that is where real English speaking improvement begins. Yesterday, in day 1, we focused on something very important. Confidence. Not perfect grammar, not difficult vocabulary, just the courage to speak. Because the truth is simple, if you never speak, English will always stay inside your head. But when you start using your voice, everything slowly begins to change. Now today, we move to day 2 of our 5-day shadowing English speaking challenge. And today, we are going to work on something that many English learners struggle with, something that secretly slows down their speaking, and that is thinking in English. But before we begin, I want to quickly tell you something exciting. Tomorrow, something special is coming for you. Yes, something new that will help you improve your English even faster. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss it, and it can help you make your English even better. All right, now let's continue. Let me ask you a quick question. When someone speaks to you in English, what happens inside your mind? Do you first think in your own language, then translate the sentence, and only after that try to speak? If that happens to you, don't worry. Almost every English learner goes through this stage. But the problem is, translation makes speaking slow. Sometimes your brain searches for the perfect sentence, and suddenly, your mind goes blank. The good news is this. Learning to think in English is actually much easier than people imagine. It doesn't mean speaking perfect English. It simply means letting your thoughts appear in simple English sentences. And that's exactly why shadowing practice is so powerful. When you listen and repeat immediately, your brain doesn't have time to translate. Instead, it begins responding directly in English. Little by little, your reactions become faster, your speaking becomes smoother, and English begins to feel natural. All right, now it's time to start today's practice. Follow the subtitles on the screen. Today, we will practice 30 short sentences together. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. Try to copy the rhythm and energy of the sentence. Remember, this is not just a lesson. This is your English speaking gym. No pressure, no judgment, just practice. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin day 2 of your shadowing English speaking practice. All right, let's continue. Speak with me. Use your voice. I am learning to think directly in English. I am learning to think directly in English. I am learning to think directly in English. I allow my thoughts to flow naturally in English. I allow my thoughts to flow naturally in English. I allow my thoughts to flow naturally in English. I do not translate every word in my mind. I do not translate every word in my mind. I do not translate every word in my mind. I trust my English thoughts when I speak. I trust my English thoughts when I speak. I trust my English thoughts when I speak. Simple sentences help me speak more naturally. Simple sentences help me speak more naturally. Simple sentences help me speak more naturally. I focus on expressing my ideas clearly. I focus on expressing my ideas clearly. I focus on expressing my ideas clearly. My mind is slowly becoming comfortable with English. My mind is slowly becoming comfortable with English. My mind is slowly becoming comfortable with English. I respond without overthinking every sentence. I respond without overthinking every sentence. I respond without overthinking every sentence. I allow my brain to process English naturally. I allow my brain to process English naturally. I allow my brain to process English naturally. Every day my English thoughts become faster. Every day my English thoughts become faster. Every day my English thoughts become faster. I stay calm even when I search for words. I stay calm even when I search for words. I stay calm even when I search for words. I am training my brain to think in English. I am training my brain to think in English. I am training my brain to think in English. Excellent. Keep going. Your brain is slowly getting used to thinking directly in English, and that is exactly what we want. All right, keep going. You're doing great. Stay with me and speak out loud. I focus on communication, not perfection. I focus on communication, not perfection. I focus on communication, not perfection. Nice. Remember, communication is always more important than perfect grammar. Let's continue. My confidence grows each time I speak. My confidence grows each time I speak. My confidence grows each time I speak. Excellent. Each sentence you speak is building your confidence. Keep going. I give myself permission to speak simply. I give myself permission to speak simply. I give myself permission to speak simply. Great. Simple English is powerful English. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. Amazing. Your message matters more than perfect grammar. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. Very good. Learning English is a journey, and you are moving forward step by step. My brain is adapting to English every day. My brain is adapting to English every day. My brain is adapting to English every day. Nice work. Your brain is slowly becoming comfortable with English. I focus on ideas rather than translation. I focus on ideas rather than translation. I focus on ideas rather than translation. Great. Thinking in ideas makes speaking faster. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. Excellent. You are training your brain to think naturally. I allow myself to speak naturally and calmly. I allow myself to speak naturally and calmly. I allow myself to speak naturally and calmly. Wonderful. Stay relaxed and trust your voice. I stay patient while my fluency develops. I stay patient while my fluency develops. I stay patient while my fluency develops. Perfect. Fluency grows slowly, but it grows every day. Every practice session strengthens my speaking ability. Every practice session strengthens my speaking ability. Every practice session strengthens my speaking ability. Nice. Every minute of practice matters. I notice my sentences forming more easily. I notice my sentences forming more easily. I notice my sentences forming more easily. Great. Your brain is starting to build English automatically. I am building a new habit of thinking in English. I am building a new habit of thinking in English. I am building a new habit of thinking in English. Excellent. Habits are the secret to fluency. My mind is becoming more flexible with language. My mind is becoming more flexible with language. My mind is becoming more flexible with language. All right, keep going. You are doing really well. Let's continue. I stay relaxed when I speak English. I stay relaxed when I speak English. I stay relaxed when I speak English. Nice. Stay calm. Relaxed speaking always sounds more natural. Let's continue. I focus on the message I want to share. I focus on the message I want to share. I focus on the message I want to share. Great work. Remember, communication is about sharing ideas. I am learning to express myself with confidence. I am learning to express myself with confidence. I am learning to express myself with confidence. Excellent. Confidence grows every time you speak. My thoughts are slowly becoming automatic in English. My thoughts are slowly becoming automatic in English. My thoughts are slowly becoming automatic in English. Fantastic. You just completed day 2 of your shadowing practice. Take a moment, take a breath, and notice how your mind feels after this practice. Before you go, let's quickly remember what you practiced today. Today was not only about repeating sentences, you were actually training your brain to think in English. Many learners understand English very well, but when it is time to speak, their brain starts translating every word, and that slows everything down. But when you practice shadowing like this, listening and repeating immediately, your brain slowly begins to skip the translation step. Instead of thinking in your native language first, your thoughts begin forming directly in English. Of course, this does not happen overnight. Just like in a gym, your muscles grow little by little. The same thing happens with your English speaking. Every sentence you repeat is like a small workout for your brain and your voice. Your ears learn the sounds, your mouth learns the rhythm, and your brain learns to respond faster. Slow progress, but very powerful progress. So, if you completed today's practice, write "Day 2 done" in the comments. Not to prove anything to anyone, but to remind yourself that you showed up again today, and that matters. Tomorrow we continue with Day 3, and that lesson will be really fun because we will practice idioms, the expressions native speakers use in everyday conversation. So make sure you come back tomorrow. And if this practice is helping you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and helps more English learners find these lessons. Also, if you want to support this journey even more, you can subscribe to my second channel as well. The link is in the description below. Right now, we are trying to monetize that channel as soon as possible, so your support there would really mean a lot. As you may know, my earnings from this channel were stopped, so every bit of support from you helps keep these lessons going. Thank you for practicing with me today. Rest your voice, be proud of the effort you made, and remember, you are doing better than you think. This is Sarah from English Speaking Way. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.